Alright, so today's video I'm going to see if I can repair the awning arm of our RV where I backed in after our last trip and caught the corner of the house, as you can see here. It bent up the arm pretty good, and I'm going to try to take it off, re-straighten it as best I can, maybe have to repaint it and put it back together. It does still work right now, but it looks terrible. And if I can't get it to looking pretty good, I'm probably going to order a replacement arm for it. I'm sure that's not going to be cheap. So I'd rather try to straighten it myself and make it look as good as I can and hopefully make it do. All right, let's get started and see what happens. Okay, one spring clip off. Two spring clips off. Okay, so that's the shock. And it's off. All right, so I've got the arm off. Now it's time to try to straighten and put it back. Let's try it again. All right, it's getting there slowly. Okay, so I've gotten the channel piece for the arm straightened mostly. There's still some dents and spots in it, so what I'm going to try to do, I've got this old socket that I bought, haven't even never used it. I'm going to put it in there because there's a little bit of a curve inside the channel. I want to see if this kind of matches the curve a little bit. I'm going to hit it, try to straighten it out as much as I can. I'm going to put it back up there and see how it looks, if it looks pretty good. If not, I'll play with it some more. Once I get it to where I want it, I'll probably get some paint and touch it up, put it back together. I think this is going to work, so got my fingers crossed on it. Is about as good as I can get it without just fussing and fighting with it continually. It does fit in the channel now, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and see about painting it, putting it back up and testing it out. See there? I mean, it's not perfect, As you can see a little bit there, the denting. I guess if I wanted to get crazy, I could get a little Bondo and Bondo that back smoother, and I don't feel it's worth the aggravation. Alright, so I just gotta let this dry a little bit now, and then I'll try to reattach it over here. Alright, so I'm gonna try to reattach this. This could be interesting. Let's give it a shot. See what happens. It's in there.